How to transfer money or withdraw money from your PayPal to your bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money from your PayPal to your bank account. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, transferring money from PayPal to bank account is fairly easy. Just launch the PayPal app and you will see this kind of interface. Right on your home page, you can see your PayPal balance. So just make sure to tap on your current PayPal balance. As you do so, you'll be taken to this kind of interface. So you'll be able to see the balance that is available in your PayPal account. And you have to tap on the transfer button, which you see from the bottom right corner. As you tap on the transfer option over here, it will ask you to send it and select a bank that you want to send to. If you have not yet added a bank with your debit card, then you could tap on the option that says link an eligible debit card or bank. Once you tap on the plus icon, you can enter your bank account details. But in my case, I've already actually added a debit card and my bank account, so I'll just select the bank account that I want to go ahead and do so. And you can see the standard option over here, which is absolutely free. You don't have to actually go ahead and pay extra money in order to transfer your money to your bank account. Once you're sure of that, tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen and confirm the transaction. And that's all it takes to transfer money or withdraw money from your PayPal to your bank account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.